Hi, this is Chris Georges with trafficlabz.com. Didn't post a video last night, but I'm going to go ahead and follow up this morning with what the last session was about. Went to session 9, which was transit signal priority, and they called it or described it as planning and analysis sponsored by the ITE Management and Operations ITS Council. They explain basic operations of bus signal priority and queue jump operations, identify elements to consider in the planning phase. Basically, it was just a really good presentation on if you are wanting to do priority for a system of lights, a bus signal priority with like I said, a set of lights, and just some things to consider. Yeah, three speakers. The first guy was Christopher Pangilinan. He's from San Francisco. He basically talked about he walked us through a project that they had done, and just some of the things that they had caught and some problems that they overcame, some challenges they overcame, I guess. It was an interesting study to see the correlation between just on the transit side. What are some good markers that you're doing it the right way? The next speaker was Kevin Lee. He's with Kittleson and Associates. He's from Maryland, or the DC area, and he talked about a DC area project. And he some things I took from him that were real important to me was that he stressed the importance of everybody having the same language. I know you have lots of parties involved, and this is something that's kind of personal to me. Just, yeah, you have transit agencies, you have vehicle complaints. Yeah, everybody is talking, and how can we speak the same language? You just talked about the importance of getting everybody on board, and yeah, to have some commonality between the different people. And the last person was Karen Grace, and yeah, she I believe she was with PTV, and she talked about some very interesting concepts and some modeling concepts with some priority treatments. Talked a little bit more about queue jumps, about transit or bus transit running in the median lane with a single lane, and just how that works, having a single vehicle overtake another vehicle, since there's only one lane, that they have to share that one lane, and how they overtake each other at the intersection. She talked about different queue jumps and something called the BLIMP system, the BLIMP BLIMP system. And I guess it stands for bus lane with intermittent priority, and just how maybe a lane is dedicated to transit only when the transit's there, in the sense that anybody can use the lane until a bus, let's say, shows up in that lane. The pavement starts to light up, and it starts to alert the driver, and there's some overhead signage to alert the driver that a bus is coming, and that to move over for the bus. So the lane can be utilized by both the bus and the vehicles. And yeah, it just makes for a way to add capacity, instead of just having a lane that has only one, can only operate with one person. Anyways, I think I'm going to buy internet today. I think they finally got me. I'll see how that goes. So hopefully, I expect videos to get up there a little bit sooner. But again, this is Chris Georges with trafficlabz.com. And look for some more stuff on my YouTube channel at trafficlabz with a Z. I'll be posting some videos, I hope, from the exhibit hall, just to kind of show some of the vendors there, some products that are really interesting to me. So again, thanks for watching. Here's a quick view of the hall where we're at. Thanks.